Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the dark ages? Paper statements, confusing fees, and that creepy feeling you're being nickeled and dimed for every transaction? Monzo burst onto the scene promising a new kind of banking experience, sleek app, fee transparency, and a focus on making your money work for you. But with all the hype, is Monzo really the financial unicorn it seems? Like anything good in life, there's another side to the story. So, before you ditch your old bank and dive headfirst into the world of Monzo, let's take a closer look at some potential downsides you might want to consider. Farewell branches, hello app dependence. Monzo is all about the app. It's where you manage your money, track your spending, and even get customer support. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, for some, it can be a bit too futuristic. If you're someone who prefers the personal touch of a physical branch, Monzo simply doesn't offer that. Need to deposit a check? That means snapping a picture of it through the app or mailing it in, not exactly the most convenient option. Cash. There might be a charge for that. Let's face it, cash isn't quite dead yet. But with Monzo, there are limitations. While you can use your card to withdraw cash for free at most ATMs in the UK, there's a daily and monthly limit. And if you need to deposit actual bills, forget about popping by a branch, you'll be hit with a £1 fee for using a PayPoint location. For those who rely on cash, Monzo's app-centric approach might not be the best fit. Overdraft blues. Monzo prides itself on transparency, and that applies to overdrafts too. You'll see exactly what your interest rate is up front, and it can be lower than traditional banks. But here's the catch, those rates are still variable and can be pretty steep depending on your creditworthiness. So, while Monzo might be more upfront than your old bank, it's still important to be responsible and avoid overdrafts whenever possible. Fraudulent activity and frozen funds. Monzo is known for its robust security features, which is great for protecting your hard-earned cash. But the flip side is that their fraud filters can be a little overzealous at times. There have been instances where accounts have been frozen due to suspicious activity, leaving users scrambling to access their own money. While Monzo usually resolves these issues quickly, it can be a stressful experience nonetheless. Limited customer support options. Remember how we mentioned Monzo being app-centric? Well, that applies to customer support too. While their in-app chat can be helpful for basic inquiries, it might not be the best option for complex issues. There's no phone number for direct customer service, which can be frustrating if you need to speak to a real person to get something sorted. Is Monzo right for you? So, is Monzo all sunshine and rainbows? Not quite. While it offers a great app experience and innovative features, there are some limitations to consider. If you value the security of a physical branch, rely heavily on cash, or prefer traditional customer support options, Monzo might not be the perfect fit. Monzo is a great option for tech-savvy individuals who want a mobile-first banking experience. However, it's important to weigh the potential downsides before making the switch. Consider your banking habits and needs. Do you need frequent cash deposits? Do you value face-to-face customer service? Answering these questions will help you decide if the glitz and glam of Monzo lives up to the hype for your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.